Spotify is the largest music streaming service in South Africa with over 675 million active users worldwide and above 263 million premium subscribers. The platform enables artists to share their music to a broad base of listeners from various parts of the world. In South Africa, the local consumption of South African music surged by an outstanding 281% in the last 3 years and 96% year-over-year growth in 2024, with artists earning nearly 400 million through Spotify in 2024. DJ Maphorisa, the most followed artist in Amapiano, has 3.4 million monthly listeners, but when I browse through his page, I find his latest music. I can also browse his discography that includes album, EPs, singles and features, while discovering his associates such as Cosmo Puma, Gabza the Small, Mellow and Sleazy, X Derby. Spotify needs to amplify this service by enabling users to discover all the events the artist will perform for, including recent dates, by issuing a full gig guide discovery where we are able to know the name of the event, lineups, venues, locations, and make ticket sales. For Spotify to fully maximize its market capitalization and revenue from Amapiano is to go beyond music streaming into events marketing and brand partnerships, merchandise sales, event ticketing, live experiences, and digital collectibles. This business model will not only be good for Spotify, but its content creators as well, as the structure may develop loyalty and diversify revenue streams within a single music platform.